Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hope y'all are having a great week. Today we're going to talk about the Power Torque Tools magnetic tool holder bar. Well, it's actually two of them in here. I like tool holders. It helps with organization, and magnetic tool holders really come in handy in some situations. Big deal is they go well in a cabinet that you can lock up and you can do stuff like that. Or B, if you're in your own shop and you don't have to lock everything up, fine. Or C, you might be in a shop where you trust everyone and you leave your stuff out. So, I like magnetic tool holders. This is just another one. We're going to try it out. We're going to see how we like it. And we'll do a little bit of comparison with the Torin, which is this one's a lot older style. And it's probably got weaker magnets in it, but you know, they still feel pretty good. Y'all come on up here and let's look at this thing. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you the details. I know that sounded wrong coming from me. It's okay. Power Torque Tools, 2 each. So there's 2 in here. Magnetic tool holder bar, part number PTT0050. It is 11 inches long by 2.5 inches thick, thick, and I guess 7/16 inch deep. Made in China. So here you go. You know, I seen this in O'Reilly's, and I think that's the only place you can find it. I can't testify to that, but that's where I found it, and I can't find it anywhere else online. It was $9.99. I should have put that on my board. But so non-scratching, so that's good to know. What they don't tell you is if it picks up a piece of metal, iron dust, whatever, it's going to scratch, okay? If it's on the surface that sticks to your metal. So, carbon fiber textured surface. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's carbon fiber or if it's just a carbon fiber style texture. I'm thinking the latter, because carbon fiber is not cheap. It's not easy to work with, and you know, yeah. Length of bar is flexible enough to contour onto a rounded surface. We're going to look at that. Features strong double-sided magnets. No screws needed. Holds several heavy-duty tools at the same time. It doesn't tell me how much. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't tell me how much, but we're going to try it, and we're going to compare a couple of them. There ain't no sense in sitting here gabbing and looking at it. Well, I guess I could open it up, and then we'll get to looking at it better. So like I said, it comes with 2. You can see the magnets very well. They are right here, right here, right here, right here. They look to be, what, 1.5 inches long and 1 inch wide. So they don't go across the full surface, but I would imagine it wouldn't be flexible then, right? So the magnet parts are not flexible. This type is. But anyway, there's the Power Torque logo. It's foam. Yeah. So let's go try them out. Okay, I'm gonna put my Torin up here. My surface that I polished. And I'm gonna put my Power Torque up here. So what I want to do with these is I want to start with a tool and increase in size till it falls off one or the other. Then maybe we'll go weigh the tool. I just want to get an idea of what it'll hold. Do we start with a hammer? No. I mean, we may get there. We know that's 4 pounds, or should be. I'm just pulling things out of my dad's old box just to see. So let's start with these 10 snips. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Let's go to a different size. Let me offset them. Okay, that works. Let's try to find something heavier. Don't want to go crazy just yet, but we said something about hammers. Let's try some small hammers. Ooh. Okay. Won't do that. So that's interesting. Okay. So those are a couple of hammers. Let's just go to the 4-pound sledge, okay? Or the 4-pound hammer. Nope. Well, there you go. I don't know that this would, I mean, like, it's barely on there. No, it's not gonna do. So we know it's not gonna do 4 pounds. So we found its limit. We found the limit of this one. Let me see something. Did y'all like the Bahco tool review I did? I haven't used them yet at all. These I haven't used either. It's a gear wrench micro driver set. I have used the laser. What I'm doing is I'm just seeing if you can throw one of these kits up there, that laser fits, or that laser sticks. The Blue Point kind of sticks. I have used the Blue Point. I have used the laser. I have kept the laser in the case, but anyway, you're not here for that. There is videos. There's even a video on the Blue Point, but it's not a video on it alone. So, you know what? There you have it. What about this? That does good. Let's see. That does good. Because this is kind of something you would put up there, right? I don't like that. That's better. It doesn't like it that way. I want it that way. Tell me why. That does doggone good. That's okay. Yeah, that was good. So there you have it. Now let's look at a rounded surface. I'm just gonna go stick it on the body of my Mustang. And I'm gonna rub it up and down and see if it's, no, I'm not gonna do that. I am gonna stick it on there and look at the whole rounded surface deal and see how well it sticks on a rounded surface. Ain't nothing but a holiday. Let's see. let's go right here. I mean, it's okay. I guess the test is put a tool on it. Ooh. It's not bad. I don't know if I'm gonna use it in that capacity. If I used it anywhere like that, it'd probably be up here. And I would just set them down there because, you know, I wouldn't wanna damage this glamorous paint on this car. I was fixing to close it up. I want to show you this. I've got my finger in here so that it's pulling towards the other magnets. It's pretty interesting. So, let's see. Power tools, magnets. It's a pretty cool tool. I think it has its place in on the outside of your box, maybe. Maybe even on something you're working on. I would not use it on a car. Anything with nice paint, this would be like if you're, I don't know, working on a piece of machinery or something like that. I wouldn't use it on a car. Not like I did my Mustang, but my Mustang needs some help, and well, it was an example. I probably shouldn't have used that example. I don't work on many people's cars, and I probably won't work on one that's real nice because I just don't want the liability. I mainly, you know, help people out, mainly my kids. So, but that's beside the point. Would I pay $10 for this again? Yes, I would. I am going to figure out all the different uses I could use this for that may not be quite as what they're intended for. As a matter of fact, I've got an idea right now, and it's a problem I had with the stuff that come with Tool Widget on their tool hanger system. Let's go over here and look at that right now. I'm sorry. I'm extending this. Y'all thought I was done. So this was a temporary solution. I didn't want these bars slapping the back of my toolbox, so I put this here. Now I can remove this. So you hit the back of my toolbox. And I can place these here. Boy, I should have just took them off. They hit my toolbox. It's just not thick enough for all of these. I could put them, can put this lower, and then I could put this one down there, and that keeps all of them except for, and the one that goes in here, it's a little bitty one for flopping around. And I mean, it holds them good. It is a good idea, but I need one more. So, okay. Well, there you have it. Let me go back over here. So my original idea for that very scenario was to take me a piece of wood, figure out how thick it needed to be, take and put me some spots in the back where I could place some of these magnets. You know, I forget, recessed. And then on the other side, put me a piece of, glue me some magnets on it, or put me a piece of metal and stick the magnets on there. And yeah, that way, I mean, it should work pretty good. Better than that, it'll be better designed and designed to do what it is. So maybe that was just folly there. Thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for putting up with me. Hope you liked my serenade earlier. If not, don't tell me why. Thank y'all for watching. Please click that like button. Subscribe if you like it. And then, hey, tell me about your friends. Tell me about tell your enemies about me. Tell your friends about me. And yeah, need every bit of help I can get. Y'all take care. Have a great day, and be blessed.